Today's lesson is writing and solving multi-step equations. The first thing we need to always do is read and annotate the question. So Hans needs to rent a movie truck. Suppose Company A charges a rate of $40 a day, and Company B charges a $60 fee plus $20 per day. For what number of days is the cost the same? So with cubes, we start by circling the numbers. I see 40, 60, and 20. Then we underline the question. For what number of days is the cost the same? We're looking for days. B in cubes is to box important words. Important words are words such as per, which means to multiply, and then a $60 fee plus $20 per day. So C-U-B-E, next step is to write the equation. Before we can write the equation though, we always have to define the variable. The variable is going to be what we're solving for. We need to find number of days, so I'm going to say D is the number of days it will take for them to be the same. And then that equation. And our equations go pretty quickly. We look at Company A and what they're doing. They charge $40 per day. And then we look at Company B. It's $60 plus $20 per day. And we want these to be the same. So because they're going to be the same, we set them equal. From here, it's simply a matter of solving the problem. Get your variables on one side together, so subtract 20D. We get 20D equals 60, divide by 20, D equals 3. And then because it's a word problem, we always have to make sure we look at this final part. Write the answer in a sentence. What does my answer, D equals 3, mean? That means it will take 3 days for the costs to be the same. Make sure you do all of these pieces when solving a problem. Our second and final example today is number 2. Suppose a video store charges non-members $4 to rent each video. A store membership costs $21 and members pay only $2.50 to rent each video. For what number of videos is the cost the same? Always start with that cubes method. Circle the numbers. 4, 21, 250. Underline the question. For what number of videos is the cost the same? Box important words. Just like in the last problem, we had the word per, which implied multiplication. Here I see the word each, which is another trick word that implies multiplication. $21 and, in this case, is addition. And then each video again. Then define the variable. Remember, the variable is always what are we trying to figure out? I need to figure out the number of videos. So my variable is going to be V for number of videos. And then I'm finally ready to write the equation. Because we're looking for them to be the same, I'm going to set Company 1 or Thing 1 equal to Thing 2. The first thing is non-members, $4 for each video. If you're a member, though, it's $21 a month plus that $2.50 for each video, and we want them to be the same or equal. And then we can go ahead and solve. Minus 250V, we get 150V equals 21 divided by $1.50. And we end up with V equals 14. But remember, we're not done yet. What does that actually mean in a sentence? Well, V equaling 14 means if you rent 14 videos, then the cost will be the